The only constant in life is change. No man ever steps in the same river twice, for it's not the same river, and he's not the same man. Character is destiny. The way up and the way down are one and the same. All things come into being through opposition. Man is most nearly himself when he achieves the seriousness of a child at play. It is harder to fight against pleasure than against anger. Eyes are more accurate witnesses than ears. The soul is dyed the color of its thoughts. Much learning does not teach understanding. Big results require big ambitions. The sun is new every day. You cannot step into the same river twice. Dogs bark at what they cannot understand. Wisdom is the oneness of mind that guides and permeates all things. Time is a game played beautifully by children. Good character is not formed in a week or a month. It is created little by little, day by day. Protracted and patient effort is needed to develop good character. Even sleepers are workers and collaborators in what goes on in the universe. Our envy always lasts longer than the happiness of those we envy. To God all things are fair, good, and just, but men hold some things wrong and some right. The best people renounce all for one goal, the eternal fame of mortals. But the many stuff themselves like cattle. Everything flows and nothing stays. Change alone is unchanging. If you do not expect the unexpected, you will not recognize it when it arrives. Thinking is a sacred disease, and sight is deceptive. Opposition brings concord. Out of discord comes the fairest harmony. War is the father of all and the king of all. And some he shows as gods, others as men. Some he makes slaves, others free. The road up and the road down are the same thing. The unseen design of things is more harmonious than the seen. It is in changing that we find purpose. Fire is the origin of all things. The most beautiful order of the world is still. A random gathering of things insignificant in themselves. Much learning does not teach sense. A fool is excited by every word. Men who wish to know about the world must learn about it in its particular details. Life is a child playing checkers. The kingdom belongs to a child. Deliberate violence is more to be quenched than a fire. There is nothing permanent except change. A man's character is his fate. The world is an ever-living fire. He who does not expect the unexpected will not find it out. To be even-minded is the greatest virtue. It is weariness to keep toiling at the same things, so that one becomes ruled by them. Immortal mortals, mortal immortals, one living, the other's death, and dying, the other's life. The content of your character is your choice. Day by day, what you choose, what you think, and what you do is who you become. Nature loves to hide. The beginning of a circle is also its end. Wisdom consists in speaking and acting the truth. Abundance of knowledge does not teach men to be wise. These quotes reflect Heraclitus's profound thoughts on the nature of change, the unity of opposites, and the impermanence of life.